Welcome back, everybody. Taking a break from the griddle more tour here at the house with the family, relaxing. Pulled some mahi-mahi out of the freezer. Shout out to my subscriber Jess Farron for this sweet shirt. She visited me on tour in North Carolina and in Virginia with her mama Jan, and they gave me some sweet gifts, including the Buc-ee's South Carolina shirt. So here we go. I've got some mahi-mahi. I almost said fillets, but then Hannah reminded me that Chef Nate taught me they're fillets. So when it's fish, it's fillet. When it's meat, it's fillets. So whew, it's a tough one to say. Here we go. Going down with my fillet. So marinated this in some mojo marinade. Got that in Florida last year, and you can see I tried to kick it up a little bit by putting some extra slices of lime in there. So we're gonna pull that out, and we'll try to pat that dry, pat the fish dry with paper towel. And of course the thinking is here that if I can get it dry enough, we can get a better sear on the mahi. So that's just what we are gonna do. I'm gonna start out with some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil on these fillets. That's so tough to say. A little bit of olive oil on there to help with my sear, followed by some Blackstone Island stir fry. I don't think I've used this in a video yet. So a little bit of the island stir fry. You can see there's all kind of cool spices on there, and I see big chunks of salt and two different types, I believe. Yeah, two different types of sesame seeds as well. We have the Blackstone 28-inch Pro Series on high heat, and we're gonna go straight down with those mahi pieces. I almost said fillets. I don't want to get in trouble. Here we go. Let me get an apron so I can protect my sweet new shirt. This is a Blackstone 2020 Griddle More Tour apron. I'm going to move these mahi pieces in the back here. And next we're going to go down with the rice. Now in the past, you know me, I'm the guy that's always peddling this stuff, right? I love it, I love it, I love it. But we're trying to eat healthy here, right? We have a fish meal, a fish entree, and of course, a lot of carbohydrates. So I picked up some of these. Riced cauliflower, let's do it. So we're premiering this right here. I've never done it before. You guys are gonna see it as, as I see it. Of course, the difference being like 30 grams of carbohydrates in the regular rice, and this here literally just being a couple, like less than 5 grams of carbohydrate. We can add a little more olive oil as we go. In for the flip. Here we go. There we go. Beautiful seared piece of mahi. Move that rice over a little bit, and I grabbed some olive oil over here. Gonna go down with some of these peppers. These are just one of those mini assortments of bell peppers, sweet peppers. So it's a sweet pepper assortment. Gonna put those in some olive oil. I want there to be some crunch in these, so we're not gonna cook them too long. And we're gonna also throw down some spinach. And you might have seen my Jungle Gyms video a couple of weeks ago. I found this stuff there. Look at this. Pineapple chili sauce. As in like sweet chili sauce, but with the pineapple twist. Here we go. This is gonna be so good in here. Look at that. We're switching up the color. Oh man. Now folks, we do not want to overcook anything here. I want those vegetables to be vibrant. I want there to be a crispy snap when you bite into them. And let's check out the mahi over here. What I can do is we can take a little bit of water, do some figure eights around the fillet. We'll close it up. We'll let that steam for about 45 seconds or so, and that should bring the internal temperature of the fish up, and it'll be just about ready to serve. All right, let's check it out. There we go. Another shout out to Jess Farron and her mama Jan. They gave me this, so Jan made me this. Look at this. Mama Jan 2022. She made this beautiful, one-of-a-kind Blackstone platter. Look at this. Hannah, come on over here real close. We got to get a good shot of this. Okay. And we're going to bring those beautiful pieces of mahi over here in the middle. My goodness. All right, let's come on over here. Check that out. Looks gorgeous on that platter. I've got some 505 Southwestern pineapple mango jalapeno salsa. Shout out to the folks at 505. They hooked me up with a couple of big boxes of 505 recently, and this stuff is good. Look what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna put some of this right down in the middle over top of that mahi. Picking some fresh cilantro leaves over here. I'm gonna sprinkle those on top of my mahi. And if I need to, I can always hit it up with a little more of the island stir fry, something like that. Last, but certainly not least, a squirt of fresh lime juice. Are you kidding me? And of course the answer to that is no, I'm not kidding you. Take a look at that. Oh, mama. And I'm gonna go ahead and put one more drizzle of the pineapple chili on there just for contrast. Okay, there we go. I'm thinking that's gonna set it off. So one last take a look at that before I dive into this stuff, friends. All right, you should be able to go like this. See, that's what you want. You want your fish to flake off into nice chunks. You don't want it to be translucent anymore. So let's bite in and let's give it a try. The pineapple mango jalapeno salsa on there, good stuff. That rice is packed with flavor, it's packed with color, and of course the fact that there's no carbs in there, or very little carbs, really good. Like I said before, I've been the burger guy, the sausage guy, the heavy breakfast guy forever. I'm still gonna mix that stuff into my videos, but I have been having a blast doing stuff like this lately, okay? Healthy food that doesn't have a ton of carbohydrates, food that's packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. I don't even have a name for this dish. I just saw the mahi in the freezer. I saw the pineapple mango jalapeno salsa, and I wanted to make something delicious for dinner, and here we are. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy this. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this, something different. But until next time, praise the Lord and pass the mahi-mahi with a bunch of delicious stuff.